What are gas laws? Gas laws are those laws, theories, principles that is already tested and what? And proven. Am I communicating? Which studies the physical and the chemical properties of what? Of gas. Am I communicating? Yeah. And in chemistry, fixed mass or the same mass, am I communicating? The same mass of all gases occupies the same volume. Am I communicating? All gases occupy the same volume as far as they are of equal what? Mass. Okay, so the volume of a gas, of course, of any gas, okay, occupies what? 22.4 dm². Now, what is temperature? This is said to be the what? The degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Are you with me? The degree of what? Hotness or what? Coldness of a body. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body. 1 Kelvin, let's say 1 Kelvin. 1 degree Celsius is equals to 273 Kelvin. You know, you don't say degree Kelvin, right? You know, the man known as Lord Kelvin also worked on the absolute temperature, or what we call the absolute zero temperature, and we were able to give him name, or give him a scale, okay, name a scale after his own name. Am I communicating? Mercury. So you can observe that you normally hear about room temperature, isn't it? Which means the temperature of this room, for instance, is known as the room temperature, right? Isn't it? But what we mean by that is this, we have a standard temperature in which every object that is not hot or cold should be. That is normal temperature. We call it what? Room temperature. I get to my point. As far as 2 or more persons are in a room and there is no too much ventilation, automatically the temperature might increase. Do you understand? Of course, that is still in the room. But room temperature is just what? The normal temperature a room that does not contain anything in it has. The Charles law was the law that we are using to solve calculations under the relationship between volume and what? And temperature. Am I communicating? Boyle's law states that the volume of a fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature.